So we continue, dear students, with the various theories of nursing in community health nursing. So as we know, public health or community health nursing is a type of nursing that is concerned with the overall health of the community. Community health nurse often holds jobs in the government or at publicly funded clinics, but also work for private health agencies. They may work in brick and mortar facility to make home visits or work in a specified neighborhood. Public health nurses who work within a business are called occupational health nurses. Public health nurses who work to identify health or safety problems as well as risk factors in a home, work environment, and community by working with community leaders, physicians, parents, and teachers. They implement and manage intervention programs to address and correct problems as well as help prevent future problems and risk factors. Many community health nurses also offer counseling for their patients to help them improve their general health. This includes disease prevention, nutrition and exercise, and child care. Increasing a patient's knowledge about healthcare will help him or her to make better decisions for his or her health. The more people that make those decisions and get the care they need, the better the overall health of the community will be. So, there are various theories and models for community health nursing. Already, we have seen in short a few of it. Now we go in detail of each one. The commonly used theories are Nightingale theory of environment, Newman's healthcare system model, Pender's health promotion model, Milio's framework of prevention, White's construct for public health nursing, Block and Johnston's ethical theory of population focused nursing, Canadian model, etc. Public health or community health nursing theories and models are continued. Orem's self-care deficit theory, nursing theory, Rogers' theory of unitary human beings, Roy's adaptation model of nursing, Erickson's modeling and role modeling theory, King's theory of goal attainment, Orlando's nursing process discipline theory, Peplow's theory of interpersonal relations, Parr's becoming theory, Kolkaba's theory of comfort, Watson's philosophy and science of caring, Roper Logan's Tierney's model for nursing based on a model of living. So first we see Milio's framework of prevention. Nancy Milio, a nurse and leader in public health policy and public health education, developed a framework for prevention that includes concepts of community-oriented population-focused care in the year 1976 and 1981. The basic treatise that behavioral patterns of populations and individuals who make up the populations are a result of habitual selection from limited choices. She challenged the common notion that a main determinant for an unhealthful behavioral choice is lack of knowledge. Governmental and institutional policies, she said, set the range of options for personal choice making. It neglected the role of community health nursing, examining the determinants of community health and attempting to influence those determinants through public policy. Salmon White's construct for public health nursing. Mark Salmon White in 1892 describes public health as an organized societal effort to protect, promote, and restore the health of the people, and public health nursing as focused on achieving and maintaining public health. He gave three practice priorities, that is, prevention of disease and poor health, protection against disease and external agents, and promotion of health. For these three general categories of nursing intervention have also been put forward. They are education directed towards voluntary change in the attitude and behavior of the subjects, engineering directed at managing risk related variables, enforcement directed at mandatory regulation to achieve better health. Scope of prevention spans individual, family, community, and global care. Intervention targeted is in four categories. First one, human and biological, environmental, medical, technological, organizational, and social. Block and Johnston's ethical theory of population focused nursing. Daryl Block and Lavon Johnston, public health educators, propose this based on intersecting fields of public health and nursing. They have given three essential elements of population focused nursing that stem from these two fields: an obligation to population, the primacy of prevention, centrality of relationship based care. The first two are from public health, and the third element is from nursing. Hence, it implies to nursing that relation based care is very important in population focused care. Canadian model of community. The community health nurse works with individuals, families, groups, communities, population systems, and for society. But at all times, the health of the person or community is the focus and motivation from which nursing actions flow. The standards of practice are applied to practice in all settings where people live, work, learn, worship, and play. The philosophical base and foundation values and beliefs that characterize community health nursing, caring, the principles of primary health care, multiple ways of knowing, individual community partnerships, and empowerment are embedded in the standards and are reflected in the development and application of community health nursing process. The community health nursing process involves the traditional nursing process components of assessment, planning, intervention, and evaluation, but is enhanced by community health nurses in three dimensions. And the three dimensions are individual community participation in each component, multiple ways of knowing, each of which is necessary to understand the complexity and diversity of nursing in the community. Knowledge and utilization of all these ways of knowing forms evidence based practice consistent with these standards, and the inherent influence of the broader environment on the individual community, that is the focus of care. Community will be affected by provincial, territorial policies in its own economic status and by the actions of its individual citizens. The standards of practice are founded on the values and beliefs of community health nurses and utilization of community health nursing process. The model illustrates the dynamic nature of community health nursing practice, embracing the present and projecting into the future. The values and beliefs grounded practice in the present yet guide the evolution of community health nursing practice over time. The community health nursing process provides the vehicle through which community health nurses work with people and supports practice that exemplifies the standards of community health nursing. The standards of practice revolve around both the values and beliefs and the nursing process, with the energies of the community health nursing always being focused on improving the health of the people in the community and facilitating change in systems or society in support of health. Community health nursing practice does not occur in isolation, but rather within the environmental context, such as policies within their workplace and the legislative framework applicable to their work.